Today we're checking out Samsung's most daring phone yet, Galaxy Z TriFold. This is not just another foldable. It's Samsung's first triple fold device. Talking about the build, when you hold it, you feel the premium build. The TriFold uses a titanium hinge with an advanced armor-grade aluminum frame to keep all parts strongly built and durable. When fully opened, the main screen stretches into a 10-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, which keeps the scrolling experience smooth. When folded, you still get a functional 6.5-inch cover screen. Peak brightness of this phone reaches around 1600 nits. So even in bright daylight, the screen stays clear and easy to read. On the performance side, this phone comes with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy 3nm chipset, flagship-level power that makes the device feel lightning fast. This phone is paired with 16 GB RAM and comes with 512 GB of internal storage. Now the cameras. On the rear, you get a 200MP main wide camera, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens with optical zoom of 3x. For selfies, there are two 10MP front cameras. Battery and charging get serious too. Inside is a 5,600 mAh 3-cell battery system, built to power all those screens and flagship-level performance. It comes with a 45-watt wired fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging. It's a phone when folded, and a tablet when opened, and a productivity machine when you need multiple apps at once.